You may be wondering, guys, how you can turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. Now, whenever you type something, you will hear like some clicks like this. It's very annoying. Like, how you can turn that off? This is very easy, guys. All you have to do is follow these exact steps, and this is very quick and simple. Now, if you want to turn off, guys, keyboard sound on your iPhone, by the way, this works on all iPhones. Like any iPhone you have, it could be an old iPhone, a new iPhone, even the latest iPhones, which is like 14 Pro Max, stuff like that. You can just turn off keyboard sound on your iPhone by following these steps in this video. Now you want to just open the settings on your iPhone, and the second thing, guys, you need to do, you want to click on sounds and haptics. Okay, now after, guys, you click on sounds and haptics, you want to scroll down a little bit, and you will see here a few different options. If you notice here, guys, you will see keyboard clicks. That means keyboard sound. Like that's what they mean. You want to just toggle this off. As you can see, toggle this off, and now you have turned off keyboard sound on your iPhone. Drop a like if this video helped you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you